The Poly Studio R30 USB Video Bar is a 4K huddle space video conferencing solution that gives you everything to look and sound your best on video calls in one sleek device, with camera framing and tracking. Inside the box, you will find the Poly Studio R30 USB Video Bar, a display mounting clamp, AC adapter, power cord, and USB-C cable. First, attach the display mount to the Poly Studio R30 USB Video Bar using the small thumb screw. Next, connect the AC adapter and USB cable. Place on top of your display. Remove the rubber cap from the lens to show the camera. Connect the power cord to the AC adapter and plug it in. There is no power button. It will start up automatically. Then connect the other end of the USB cord to your PC or Mac. A green light will show that the Poly Studio R30 USB Video Bar is connected and ready. Your Windows or Mac computer will automatically set up the device, but to get the most out of it, you should download and install the PolyLens desktop app. Complete the installation steps and then open the app. Locate the Poly Studio R30 USB Video Bar in the list and select it. If the software update is available, it will let you know and you should go ahead and start the update. Now go into Controls and you can adjust the camera settings or change the camera tracking. Under Settings, you can adjust the audio and noise blocking features. The Poly Studio R30 USB Video Bar has 4K camera quality with 4x zoom, camera framing and tracking, with advanced audio features like Noise Block AI and Acoustic Vents. You are now ready to enjoy your Poly Studio R30 USB Video Bar. For more information, visit poly.com.